Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. I am your English teacher from Allied School. This is your lecture of Oxford Progressive English. You will open your books at page number 120. We are going to study play script here. Students, this play script belongs to a novel of Charles Dickens. The name of the novel is Great Expectations. We have already studied a novel of Charles Dickens, that was Oliver Twist. Now we are going to study another novel by the writer in the form of play script. Play script means that a novel that has been turned into a form of play in the form of dialogues. So students, this play script is about an orphan boy, Pip, who goes to graveyard to see the graves of his parents. There he meets a prisoner who has been escaped from the prison. The prisoner threatens him and frightens him and orders him to bring food and file for him. Let us study the summary of this chapter on the board. Unit 5, Danger. Chapter 2, Great Expectations. Summary. In this play script, the writer presents the conversation of an orphan boy, Pip. Pip goes to the graveyard to see the graves of his parents. There he meets an escaped prisoner who frightens Pip and threatens to kill him if he will not bring food and file for him. So friends, Pip is frightened by the threats of the prisoner. So he decides to bring food and file for him and promises to bring food every morning for him so that he may spare his life. Friends, we will read this proper chapter in our online class. Now move towards the words meanings of this chapter. Words meanings: number 1, rage, anger. Number 2, scratched, injured. Number 3, rifling, search through. Number 4, crust, piece of bread. Number 5, damn me. Number 6, glare, look angrily. Number 7, tilt, slant. Students, you will write these words meanings in your notebooks and learn them. Students, now come at page number 124. We are going to solve reading for understanding first 5 questions. Open your notebooks and come towards the board. Reading for understanding. Why is Pip called Pip? Answer. He is called Pip because it is much easier to say than Parip, which is his real name. Question 2. Who is buried in the churchyard and how does Pip feel about them? Answer. In the churchyard, Pip's parents and 5 brothers are buried. He feels very sad about them. Question 3. How does Pip feel about living with his sister? Answer. He doesn't feel happy about it. Question 4. Why is the man so wet, scratched and muddy, and where do you think he has come from? How would the audience know where the man has come from? Answer. The man is wet, scratched and muddy because he has been running from the police and hiding himself in the reeds. He has escaped from a prison. The audience will know it by the shackle on his iron. Question 5. Why does the man jump with sudden fear when Pip points to where his mother is? Answer. The man jumps because he thinks that Pip's mother is also there with him. Friends, you will write these question answers in your notebooks and learn them.